this opportunity to say I'm so sorry for being late. Usually say that late here because I couldn't have money now. But I don't see the way there. I'm so sorry. I just wanted to apologize.
Okay, I think we are at the moment, but before we start with a session whereby Queen Sheeeba is going to talk to you guys, I want to recognize the presence of Ann Kansime, the biggest comedian in Uganda. And yes, I want to recognize the presence of Anita. Hi. I want to recognize the presence of Kaijuka Bass, the biggest stylist when it comes to Queen Sheeeba. I want to recognize Mona Haidowe when it comes to the makeup. I see you behind right there. Chosen, I see you. Amelia, Namala, been told you around. I see Madame Didan. Hi. I see you. Every personality. Okay, Mudra, I see you. Bro, how you doing? KS Alpha, Summer Soldier, we're for the people. President Waboluga. Okay, the moment you guys have been waiting for, it's about Queen Sheeeba right now. Before I let you talk, I want to thank you so much for everything you've done for the industry.
The long press conference here, it's 9th December. It's going to be at Serena. So, again, I apologize sincerely from the bottom of my heart. It was a bit late. I hate being late. Thank you so much for being patient, everyone at Avudde and Ninda. Thank you so much. I won't take that for granted ever. Thank you. To all my sponsors waiting for me, all my fans around, Sheebaholics, my friends that came around to support me from the music industry, from the art industry. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you. My management, I know we work tirelessly day in and day night. I love you guys. Thank you so much. I know I work you so hard because if I could let you, you would sleep a bit. But I appreciate you so much, wherever you are, you know that. Mr. Ketty, I'm more than honored to work with you again. Another person you didn't know that I'm going to work with is going to be Steve Jim, Phenom Records, on the stage and lights and everything. I appreciate everyone around. So I wanted to take that minute to appreciate you all. Thank you. To all my Lugambo people, Abazze, Nabatali Balugambo, Abagosipazi, Abamaulide, Tetrinzera Bera Matamulio. But in number of times Bera Matamulio, so we appreciate you. But yeah, we're here. Shoot your shot, keep in mind. Let's keep it very professional. Thank you.
Okay.
It is clear. What is okay so we must have stage out. At this hour, once a positive Nuaji, Bully concert, there are places where Mugenda situated in Mujiki days. Motunga so took a Kushiba 10. You get? And you don't know people, Baba Wagwenti. Now what I need to. So, Saga is a Ayagara Sheeeba, the Sheeeba Komuntu, I'm misbehaving here. As you say, you are as you say, in Italian magazine. So, but then, Saba security, Tegeza, Kukiriza, Bino, Bitukubao. What you know, Namaoli, obviously, one of the Vaga, one in a Kuwaga, Popularis. So, Jaga security, at least, is a senior Chedina, at least. Observing Jaga security, it is so terrible. So that they want to performing. We franga batakumanyi. By then, that's not reaching. They are poor, keep up to now. And that
I think it's a Chibaku, you don't go away enough pass, eh? Over media personality, but at the pass, it's the Bobango United Cardio. Tambla nayo tebajja kuzibuwaza ate nekirala I think tugenda bagenda kubeera ne team whereby bagenda kuba banotinga amanya gaba media personalities so buli omu I think reach out after here olabe mukulu Kenti and the team. There's a gentleman who was sitting here genda omulabe oteke erinnya lye so that babanga bakreating their pass obudde bukyala I think it's okay banaye so that botatuke ku gate ate balebe kulabisa okay mukulu.
Pakudisa microphone bobo nyonyola. because I'm lost.
What will be at the time this is social media?
I have a feeling some of them will use a new charm, you know, but God forbid. They're not gonna happen. That was security, that was CID at Dubai. Bali stay so that I'm safe. Because the chili familiar, but they protected me from the word go till I left the airport. They went to the airport. It was protection. It was all misinterpreted. Thank you.
About the tickets?
About the tickets, 3 million a table. Table you can have Japanese chokunywa, table you omwami w'omukyalo bana tubona abaguze table Japanese chokunywa, Japanese latte chokulya. So ordinary tickets gonna koza $12.15 naye early birds abanguwa okugula bagenda gigula ku 10. So bw'oba oyagala kugula ku 10 gulira ticket kati. So those are the tickets, 150 for ordinary and 3 million. Million isatu table ne $12.15 ordinary, then 10 goyangu yenogula ticket yo right away. Thank you.
Okay, so
I'm Ron Genius official from EBS Final, and my question goes to Sheeeba, the queen. Every artist has been looking for Google Bouquet Over. When we talk of Sheeeba, we're talking a big brand. Why Serena? Is Serena not small for your audience?
I was waiting for someone to answer that, to ask me that. Serena, yes, of course. The first thing everyone was worried about when Nakateka used Serena was H42. We're gonna take our fans. I've done Africana twice and I sold out. We also, this time, this show, and share Gunomaka, I start with Mr. Ketty, Kwanga Zelela shows and years because Nemo Savat Kurono to Leme College Sao, Zekemini. Echinoji Mwami Ketty na Puliriza because not to get a vision, Jendagana. And the show see your numbers Zoka, and the show in a Jetegeza Nyon Jendi. Ntandika jani empya ng'obuyimbi. So nina show gye njagala okukolanga nange sigikolangako ate gisobola kufuna mu kisaawe kulwa ebintu bingi technical issues oluusi bigaana ebisaawe oluusi kigaana okukuwa exactly kyoyagala. So njagala close doors so that I can do exactly what I've always dreamt of. And a show with John Girota gye ngenda okukola ku 9th. Nilotedde emyaka gyonna okuvanga ne mwana muto. Ebirowoozo byange byonna for the first time ngenda bikozesa ebirooto byange byonna with good people. I'm working with a lot of people abanyambako Aziza Zion abeerawo mu band rehearsals zange, you know, a lot of people that I'll be telling you about. So the show egenda kuba different ate waliwo twist etujja mbagambaawo mu maaso. So trust me, abantu bange bonna abanaayagala okundaba bagenda kundaba. Serena. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Another question?
Bakujani? And Mati is 7 birthdays for the first time. Shimanya bamawulire temusasula tickets. Naye for the first time, njagala ogule ticket yo ojja otuule maaso. Gula na table ulageko. Otuule maaso gogenda okugenda onyumiza abantu oba nsobola okuyimba live oba yabadde live oba teyabadde live. Let's turn around. Semolina, because the fans bange bandaba bamanyi what I am worth. Bafani bange basasula oba basabye ntwale na bagenda gisasula. Ate ne kuno bamanyi baki tusabye 15 tuli ku Serena. Ekintu kiri different, kiri corporate mu katono. Olowooza fani wange sha negandi badde asatu babadde bajja gasasula banjagala bashibawolix wamate mujje. Thank you. I can't wait to see you, my fans. Of course, bajja kumperekerako n'emikwano gyange emirala mu industry egijja okujja obujji just to support. So trust me, si esho gye njagala obbagamba nti ono agenda kukola, njagala omuntu ajje nazze kulaba Sheeeba naye ate oluwombo lwabasangayo akyakabi nnyo. Just turn up, man, turn up. All right. Anyway, thing is about my dress code. Nabagamba ekintu kimwe eno show egenda bashokinga nnyo. Just jangu ku show. Of course, I'm a beautiful, sexy woman. Since Ghana kwambaza mubiri ogwo kyegulina kugendako kitegeera. So njateekako ebintu okugendako naye ate ne bamama nja bajjukira nga leero temundaba half hajat half Sheeeba half sexy. No, trust me, just come around. I'm going to give you me. Ngenda kuwa in a show. I'm going to turn 33 next month, 11th November. And I was in Yakasatu Moisatu. So the show, your show is so say, Nandi Mucha Mukuru. Let me just say that. Mind you, I'm going to JK Miaka, Ekuzenyo, ebintu by'enjagala katimbulamu birala. Ngabo Joko Mukule ebitu by'agala bikyuka. Kyobola bakati ndinange mu kwechalenginga. Nengamba kangende mu Serena nkole show esikolangako. Jendose emyaka gyange gyonna lwaki njira otawuloosa kanjikole. So awende kati sagala kufana dreams zange njagala buli kimu kyenyina mu mutwe Mukama kyampadde chance n'obulamu n'opportunity njagala kikola. So kati ndi mu position osobola okukola buli kimu kyendoota. That's why this show is different. So come and see what I'm about to be. It's a new Sheeeba. It's a grown-up Sheeeba. It's still sassy, still confident, but very different in the mind. So come around.
Yes.
Simba ngakukubira number anything. Ekyo njagala nti clarify. I come from a very humble background. Ekisooka gwatandikanga love, passion. Now it became a job. I respect my job. I work day in and day night because mpa omulimu gwange ekitiibwa. Omulimu gwange gwe gukyusiza obulamu bwange n'abantu bange gyenva ne family yange. So one, sikola guno mulimu kubeera number one oba kusinga muntu yenna. Kubanga nkimanya ekintu kimu abawagizi tetuyinza bamalawo bangi. Buli omu asobola okufuna ababe ate era buli omu n'abeerawo. Tetulina kusikagana muguwa oba wagizi. Omuwagizi waba asazeewo okuwagira Sheeeba asobola okumpagira ate n'awagira n'omukyalo omulala oba n'awagira n'omwami omulala. So tetulina kulwanira bawagizi. Nze ndi confident nti position yange si yakulwanira. I'm very confident because abawagizi bange nabakolerera ne banjagala nga nze. So ekya number 1, 2, 3 kyo sikirimu. Sikola mulimu guno kulagako. Ngwagala nnyo naye ate kati gwafuuka omulimu. So nguwa ekitiibwa ate nga ngwagala nnyo. Siriwo. So saakoze Serena to prove a point to anybody. Like I said, I want to prove a point to myself. Nina growth gyendi mu kwenoonya. You know, nina level gye njagala okulaba oba nsobola ogituukako. Njagala girwanirira. Ate kitandika na kukola bintu by'otakolangako. Oba oyagala ky'otafunangako, okola ky'otakolangako. So that's what I'm doing, Serena, to better myself, not to compete. Thank you. Ekyokubiri, ombuuziza copyright. Yes, this show is going to be copyrighted. Era kankunyonyola lwaki. Content, olowooza lwaki nawufa content? Kojja ssente. Kati naffe ate abayimbi twategeera twalwawo nnyo. Mubadde mutwala content wabwerere emyaka gyonna. So this time, abantu abagenda okukkirizibwa okukwata ebintu ebimu tugenda kwogera nabo, tutuule nabo, tukkiriziganye nabo. Naye nga copyrighted because waliwo abagenda gisasula ate bo bagigule. So tetuyinza ate baguza kyetuwadde buli omu. So business Sebo badde nsaba tudde ku mulamwa.
Okay guys, thank you so much for
Right now it's my baby, my newest baby. I love water. As you all know, I work out a lot. I sweat a lot because I'm always on stage dancing, using a lot of energy. So I needed a product to move with me and give me more energy that is natural as possible. And Westlake, I'm the ambassador. I'm literally, when you see Westlake, you see Sheeeba. When you're drinking this water, you're drinking Sheeeba. So get you, Westlake is in every shop, everywhere. So please get yourself a bottle, and every time you're drinking it, remember you're drinking Sheeeba.
Thank you so much. I think she deserves a round of applause, guys. That's amazing. Omukulu wa Keti angambye ndoza gumiza bugumiza ebyendogende bubuda abantu bakuwana bakugira kikati gumiza bugumiza.
Nenga Keti wesi wemuteekamu
ku lugendo lwa Sheeeba n'ojjamu ekigambo bukedde TV, bukedde fama, bukedde olupapula.
Sheeeba Samali Karungi tweyanziza content gwotuwa gwomu ku bantu betusinga okuba ennyimba zaabwe gwomu ku bantu betusinga okukolako amawulire in fact gwomu ku bantu abatulaga amazina ga Seeguya wekyaze kujja concert bukedde fama bukedde TV bukedde olupapula omuyimbi gwe mukuze naye nga mumuleka kutya ku lw'ensonga eyo olunaku olwaleero tuli wano kweyama nti amaanyi gaffe ensi yonna egamanyi tetugenda okuteeka ku Sheeeba okuviira ddala gyatandikidde ku Serena mpaka gyanakumekereza mwenna mukimanyi omunene akwatagana na munene Keti Events Keti anyamunyamba naye owamawulire waliwo awunya mu Keti kati gwanyagana okolagana ne Keti era olunaku olwaleero mbakakasa ebyaffe tebyetaaga kwogerwa omuntu wa bulijjo ayagala okulaba Sheeeba Samali Karungi olunaku ennaku z'omwezi nga 9 eriiso tolijja ku Bukedde TV okutuuka tokujja ku mbuutikizi toleka lupapula lwaffe lwa Bukedde tugenda kusobozesa ensonga ezo okuzikola nga singava waggulu njagala nkutegeeze ku Bukedde gyenva ennaku z'omwezi nga 17 tutegese embaga ekkalawo omwaka mu luguudo wakati tugituumye embutu y'embuutikizi bwaguuka wakati mu luguudo eyanziza.
Thank you so much. And the Capital FM Ticket Berry Skincare Holding Parts Boligo Extra, that's your TV Maestro Studios. I want to thank and a special way June Color Solutions. I want to thank Westland. I want to thank Weekend TV. Thank you so much. Pepsi, thank you. Please. Yes.